Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Maria.
Nice to meet you, Maria.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
That's cool.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
Oh, I love Indian food.
Thank you.
Do you live here?
Yes, I just moved here. What do you do?
I'm a student.
That's great. What do you study?
I study computer science.
Nice.
And you?
I'm a software engineer.
That sounds interesting.
It is.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like watching movies.
Me too.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies.
Comedies are the best. It's a nice day today.
Yes, it's sunny.
I love sunny days.
Me too.
Is it usually this hot here?
Sometimes.
It was cold yesterday.
I know, right?
Weather is always changing.
That's true.
Do you speak English?
A little bit.
Your English is good.
Thank you.
Are you learning English now?
Yes, every day.
That's awesome.
I want to speak fluently.
You will.
Thank you for your support.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
That's nice.
And you?
I have one sister.
Is she older or younger?
She's younger.
Cool.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to the park.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I might watch a movie.
Enjoy.
You too. It was nice talking to you.
Same here.
I hope we meet again.
Me too.
Take care.
You too.
Have a great day.
You as well.
Bye for now.
Bye.